mysterious process is the universe. Ashwapati has stepped into the cosmic vastness. As an individual, his soul is released from the bondage of the lower nature. He has the secret knowledge on the working of the soul and nature of Purusha and Prakriti. He has also attained the Siddhi. He has the realization of the spirit's freedom. It is in a spirit's freedom Ashwapati sets himself to explore the cosmic dimensions, the worlds rising one above another, the worlds plunging one below the other. He sees in front of him a world stare, worlds above the mental being, the worlds down below into the nether worlds. He moves throughout these worlds under the eye of infinity. He sees a hierarchy of planes of consciousness, world after world, climbing to the universe beyond. The 7 lower nether worlds, 7 patalas, and the 7 higher worlds. He sees the entire hierarchy of these 14 worlds. Vishwaloka. And he hopes to soar beyond these worlds to the ineffable. This is the single step to the goal of the being. It is refashioned in ourself also within this whole hierarchy of the worlds of consciousness. They are refashioned in our self also. It is within, it is below, it is without, it is above, it is everywhere. If this world were not there, then there would not have been any chance for the progress of the earth. If earth were all without this, earth would have remained only a material creation, without life appearing in it, without mind appearing in it, without the higher powers of spirit entering into it, a creation without life and mind and the possibility of the spirit into it. It is this world staircase which becomes necessary, which is essential, which is a prerequisite for the progress of the earth. It is not superfluous just for the sake of being there. It has a functional role, and that functional role is connected with the spiritual progress, the evolutionary progress of the earth herself. It is the world mother who by her sacrifice made her soul, the soul of the earth, the body of our state. By her sacrifice, it is she who made the soul, her own soul, the body of our state. Her soul is the body of our state. The calm intimacy within approves her work. There is a vast design accepting the plunge into this lower world, into this lower creation. And therefore, it is a sort of a sacrifice of the world mother that her royalty, her greatness, her illimitable extension that she has compressed and taken the small limited birth here. In all the developments, there is a design, there is a purpose, there is an intention, there is a divine intention, divine objective in this whole business, so to say. A conscious vast, it is that which must emerge from the void. The conscious vast must breathe first into the brood dumb space. When that happens, then man shall stand on the background of long time. A mysterious process is the universe. A mysterious process is the universe. Mystery because it is from the anomalous base that things have emerged. It is from the void, from the cryptic void, from the deep, fathomless void, from this cipher of the whole that the whole process has started. It is that void which in fact held into its bosom, into its womb, into its source, everything. Because it is holding everything in it, that the reversal can begin. What was there has become the void, yet as if containing all the essential ingredients of that whole in it, and it is these ingredients which have now to come out, emerge. The reversal has to begin. The reversal in the nature of first the appearance of matter, then the appearance of life in matter, then the appearance of mind in this matter and life world here. There is now a further possibility. The destiny lies yet ahead, that the spirit itself can enter into various possibilities, with its various possibilities in this creation. Because it is the spirit which dreamed of an idea of growth here, that it is possible here. To live this mystery is the great joy. A mysterious process is a universe. To live this mystery out, our souls came. That it became curious of this mystery and took a plunge into this void. because there is a joy of newer and newer discoveries, constant discoveries in the whole process. And to live out that mystery, our souls came here. A mysterious process is therefore this universe.